Do you have what it takes to be an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur? Well, it's very likely that you're either working for somebody or working for yourself. And one way to explain the meaning of entrepreneur is a person who works for themselves. In this lesson, we're going to look at 6 characteristics that are common with entrepreneurs. Let's see if you have those characteristics. You will also learn quite a few vocabulary words in this English lesson. Hi, my name is Jerry. If this is the first time we're meeting, it's a pleasure. Thanks so much. I look forward to getting to know you more. In order to do that, click that subscribe button down below and the bell so that you get notifications whenever I make new videos. And I look forward to getting to know you better. So let's go ahead and jump into this business English lesson and talk about 6 characteristics that are common among entrepreneurs. Our first characteristic of a successful entrepreneur is that that person cares about something more than just money. There is some internal motivation that drives a person to work for themselves. It could be an internal belief or a purpose to make a change. They believe in their product or their cause so much that they would do it even if the money wasn't the most important part of their success. Not to say that making money isn't important. It does help with the process of growth, but there are more important things than money. The second characteristic is persistence. That sense of never giving up. Do you know entrepreneurs get famous for so many things that they've done, but most all entrepreneurs have made so many mistakes in the process of becoming successful. Failure is a part of success. It's just the same with learning English. You must make a lot of mistakes, and mistakes are so important because we learn from our mistakes. Was it Thomas Edison who invented the light bulb that said after 1,000 failures that I just found 1,000 ways not to do it? That is a sense of persistence, someone who never gives up and keeps trying. The third characteristic of successful entrepreneurs is that they are able to see the future potential. They have vision. People who have vision are able to see a future possibility. An entrepreneur has a vision to be able to see something that other people might not see so easily. And in the process of pushing forward their ideas, they have a lot of convincing to do. They need to persuade others to believe in their idea as well. This is what casting a vision is all about. A fourth common characteristic for entrepreneurs is that they are flexible. If they have flexibility, they're able to deal with change. And any time that you start something on your own, you will have to change and adapt to the circumstances because there are mistakes along the way. You must be flexible. That is another characteristic of a successful entrepreneur. The fifth characteristic of successful entrepreneurs is being able to manage and endure the uncertainty. Uncertainty is all about not being sure what's going to happen in the future. There are others who may say they shouldn't go forward with an idea. These can be called naysayers. They don't adopt the ideas early. But an entrepreneur will adopt an idea early, and even when others don't believe, they are able to go forward because they can manage and tolerate uncertainty, things that are not clear about the future of the product. And the final characteristic of successful entrepreneurs is having self-confidence, having the belief in themselves that they can do it. It is a sense of their mind. It is the mindset where they believe that they cannot be stopped. This self-confidence is essential to being successful as an entrepreneur. So there you have it. Do you have these 6 characteristics of successful entrepreneurs? Which one do you think you need to work on the most? Is it about your mindset? Is it about building a vision for your future? Is it caring about a cause or a purpose more than money? Well, I hope that you learned a lot about business English through this lesson. So let's take a review of the vocabulary words that we used in this lesson. Well, that's all for this lesson. I hope you'll work hard to remember these vocabulary words, but also think through the ideas. If you are that international business person who wants to be an entrepreneur, to be your own boss someday, then keep going and be persistent. If this lesson was helpful for you, please click the like button and subscribe. I look forward to getting to know you more. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you the next time.